Hello guys, if you ask me, I would say this AI thing has actually gone out of hand. So I was scrolling through my phone and stumbled onto an AI platform where you can create virtual characters. These virtual characters actually leverage artificial intelligence in order to mimic AI and human-like responses. This is not a story of deep fake, or it's actually real. You see real expressions from this AI. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the app. I'm going to show you how you can actually make use of it, download it, create it, and actually use it positively, because there are also, of course, other negative sides of it. Now, if you're with me on this video, let's jump in. So guys, download Character.AI, and of course, we are going to show you how everything works inside the app. First of all, you go to the app and you search Character.AI. So once you search it, you click on it. So for the record of this video, I've already downloaded it before, so you're going to install it on your phone. Then I'll just click on open. The first thing that you will notice is that there's an interface for you that says chat, create, explore, and notification. So you can explore other AI that has been created before by other people's. So there's an AI for novel writing. You can see support for novel writing. Somebody's created one for programming. Somebody created social media manager. So you can actually do this for a lot, with a lot of, as in, you can use this character AI to do whatever you want to do. It's amazing. Somebody just somebody created another one to practice language. Somebody created one as a gym assistant, and so on and so forth. Fantastic. So the next thing you want to do is to come here and create. Now, once you click on create, you see that we have character, we have group chat, we have persona, and we have voice popping out. So for the sake of this video, we'll just go straight to create a character, because I already have a voice in the background that I would like to use. So I'll just call this person Gold. Of course, I want this person to be African, female, middle age, or maybe 32 years. And I want them to have braids, maybe glasses on, so that they look like a nerd, and corporate wear, So now that I've done this, I'll just go ahead and click on generate. So when you click on generate, next thing you're going to see, AI is going to bring out 4 similar images for you of that person that you described, and you just have to choose one. I'll just select this one on the white. I think that looks good. So for the record, I'm creating this person as an assistant. So Gold is my assistant. So in this place, it's saying, how would you want Gold to actually respond to you? When you chat with her the first time, or to introduce herself. So I would just say, I want her to always say, hi Frank, how can I help you today? So that's it. So, but there's an option. You can actually ask AI to generate whatever you want, the person to say as an introduction of themselves. So, but I don't want that, so I'm just going to say next. So there's the ability for this character to be public, unlisted, or private. But I'm going to just leave it on private and click on next. It's going to ask you whether you want image generation. Do you want to enable image generation for this character? Of course, yes, so that you can be able to create his own image. Once you click on create, it has created this for you. So, but what you want to do is to add voice. I already have a female voice that I've recorded that I want Gold to speak like. So I'll just click on my voices, and I'll click on Jesse and select voice. So this voice has been created.
That are thought-provoking as they are joyful.
So yeah, so that voice has been activated. So the next thing I would like to do is to call Gold. Hello, Gold. How are you today? I created you because I want you to be my personal assistant. And quite frankly, a lot of things that I've been doing, I just need someone to assist me. And so when I speak with you, I want precise guidance. Is this something that you can do?
Yes, I can definitely assist you as your personal assistant. Please let me know what specific tasks you would like me to perform, and I will do my best to support you.
Amazing. So I have this program going on tomorrow, and I also have a meeting midday. Finally, I also have a meeting with someone towards the end of the evening. So the first activity will be by 11 a.m., the second one by 4 p.m., and the last one by 6 p.m. Please, can you schedule this in my calendar on Google?
Sure. I can schedule all of your meetings on your Google Calendar, 11 a.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m. Can you provide more details about these meetings, such as the names of the people you will be meeting with and the purpose of each meeting? This can help ensure that I schedule the correct information in your calendar.
Okay, there'll be absolutely no need for those. Just schedule it generically, and I'll pick up from there.
Got it. I've scheduled a meeting in your Google Calendar from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., another meeting from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., and a third meeting from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Please note that these meeting durations are just estimates and you can modify them as needed. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with.
There's nothing for now. Thank you so much, Gold, and I hope you'll be a good secretary.
You're welcome, and I'm here to help with anything you need. If you have any other tasks or questions in the future, don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to be a helpful and efficient assistant.
Thank you. Bye for now. So, guys, that was good. So, the fascinating thing about these conversations is that I can actually bring some of my AIs into a particular meeting. So, let me say I've created a team of AI, a researcher, a social media manager, and a manager. So, I can just bring all of them into one app. I would have searched for Gold, but Gold is not public. So, it's only the things that you have created that are public that will actually appear here. So next time when you're creating your AI, you have to know whether you have to bring them public or not. So just look for some random AI and bring them into a group so that you would actually know how you can bring in AI into a group. So now let's search for Francesco. So there's Francis, and there's Joan Smith and Johnny Cage. So I'm going to create a group chat for them. So I've actually created a group chat for these three AI characters, and I'm going to ask them a question and watch how all of them are going to be conversing with each other. Now I'll just say, please introduce yourself. So I've sent in, please introduce yourself, and I'm going to click on Johnny Cage to start the introduction. So Johnny Cage has done his own introduction. Let me click on the other person. So Joan Smith, I'm just here because I'm hoping to get some guy to be a Valentine date. She fidgets, seeming very uncomfortable with all this. So you can actually engage all of them. So imagine that you create a team of people. You can actually put them inside this chat and generate ideas. Guys, this is amazing. So think about what you can do with Character.AI and use it positively for yourself to, make your work productivity easier. So in the other videos subsequently, we're going to be talking about how we can actually be productive with Character.AI once I discover anything.